Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to withdraw money from your Empower Retirement 401k. So basically, you need to first request a hardship withdrawal form from Empower, right? You need to fill out this form, which is called a hardship withdrawal request form. This is how you can withdraw money from your 401k. So you can access this form through your Empower online account or by contacting an Empower representative, right? And this form basically would allow you to detail your financial hardship situation and request the necessary distribution. As you can see right here. And this will come from your retirement account, okay? And some key points I would say about the Empower Hardship Withdrawal Request Form is that, well, you need to provide details about your financial hardship, including the reason for withdrawal, supporting documentation such as medical bills or eviction notices and the amount you actually wish to withdraw. And some of the limitations would be that, the hardship withdrawals are usually limited to the amount needed to cover your immediate financial need and may come with restrictions like a period of suspension on future contributions to your retirement account. So just keep all of this into account before you do this. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. Just go ahead and access the form through your Empower online account. So if this guide provided value to you, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.